Good afternoon. My name is Izot Neustроев. I'm from 10 class, Ягонга School, City Yakutsk. Let me introduce my project, The First People Poet of Yakutia, Serafim Romanovich Klatchikov, Эллэй's poems and the development of the Yakut art. Teacher ГРИГОРьева Татьяна Степановна, teacher of native literature and native language. Actuality. This year we celebrate the 150th anniversary of the best poet of Yakut people. He was from Chishmah-Tatinsky Rus. He made his contribution to the development of Yakut art. Aim: to learn and make research work of Эллэй poems. Novelty: they could show nowhere is the influence of the poet creative work on the development of Yakut art. Poems as songs. There are various poetic sounds in his poems which are in harmony with optimistic motifs. They show positive sides of his time. His poems inspired Yakut people with hope for happiness. His poems show not only happy time, but his poems show how Yakut poor people lived before revolution. Эллэй showed difficult life of the poor people in his poems that night. Эллэй described how poor people lived in this difficult time. They longed for a happy life in the future, so Yakut people loved the poems to sing as the songs. Yakut music composers. Many composers work on Эллэй poems. An Armenian Grand Gregorian composed musical works in Эллэй poems. Buryat Zhigzhit Batiev composed music to the poem Churimchku. Ballet art. Эллэй wrote his great poem Tale Chimchuku in 1938. It was published as a book for children next year. It was translated into Russian. Alexei Kochektov, a local publishing house, published the book 1946. In 1967, poem was republished in Moscow. Painting art. Yakut famous artist Osipov Afanasy Nikolaevich, a real member of Russian Artists Academy, laureate of State Prize after European, a laureate of Lenin's Consumer Prize of Yakutia. He painted Эллэй portrait many times. I know Yakut people artist Afanasy Mikhailov painted from Эллэй poems devoted to the Civil War. Our local people, artist and sculptor Pavlov put up the monument to Эллэй in front Shmach School. Conclusion: Yakut first people poet Serafim Romanovich Klatchikov is the best poet of the Yakut literature. I learned his poems have been the base of the development of the Yakut art, especially songs and music, libretto, symphonic orchestra. Many years ago, Yakut people had no such branches of the art as ballet, painting, and sculpture. I think Эллэй poems helped the develop Yakut art. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.